Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Android system keeps stopping problem. Alright, let's begin. First things first, navigate directly to your device settings menu, scroll all the way down and select Apps. From there, click the three dots located in the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences and instantly confirm by tapping Reset Apps. Next, tap this menu icon and select Show System Apps and tap OK. Search specifically for Android system and open it. Tap Force Stop and hit OK to halt the process. Once stopped, navigate straight to the storage options and clear the system cache completely. Finally, fully restart your phone. Once your device completely reboots, this highly effective troubleshooting method should fully resolve the system error. So that's basically how you can fix Android system keep stopping problem. And that's it for this video. Thanks.